Good day and welcome back to my channel, The Queen Phoenix. Today's pattern is this single crochet cross stitch pattern. I actually want to show you the crosses. Can you see how they cross over? So I've used different colors so that I'm able to try my best to show you how they cross over. This pattern is only worked in a round. So when you do this, you're going to have to make a round. It's a beautiful stitch. This is the inside. Extremely quick to work up. It does take a few stitches for you to get the hang of it. When we do this, the foundation chain is any stitch that you prefer. I'm going to do 20. The first row, we immediately go into it. And if you have a look at the first row, you really don't see the crosses. It's only when you do row 2. So please bear with me as I show you this pattern. So you'll need your hook and your yarn, and you need to chain as many stitches as you want. I've made here a total of 20. I'd like to take this opportunity to ask you if you'd like to subscribe. Please hit the subscribe button. This channel is updated 24/7 with regular patterns and projects that if you'd like to try them. If you are a returning viewer, hit that subscribe button. Right, so let's get into it. So you'd make your foundation chain. Row 1. Make a chain. Just one chain stitch. Go into the next chain. Now here comes the catch. You go into the next chain. And you're gonna yarn, so your needle is facing you. You're gonna yarn under. And complete your single crochet. Again, go into that stitch, yarn under, pull up a loop. Complete your stitch. Again, yarn under and complete. Again, yarn under. So just try it a few times, the yarn under part. It does take a bit of time, but after a few stitches, I guarantee you, it's a very easy stitch to get the hang of. I thought it might be a bit difficult when I initially tried it, and I was quite impressed that after about 5-6 stitches, it's quick and easy. I am going to post a pattern one of these days, and in it you will hear me say that this is a pattern that I never cared for and I battled with it. So that is still to come. I'm actually dreading putting it up because I have to make it and video and record it. I tried it and I was so not impressed with it, but I got it. It took a bit of time, and this stitch is just wonderful to work up. So you can see, I'm going to show you row 1 right now, because row 1, it's a continuous repeat of row 1. This entire thing, you just keep on repeating row 1 throughout your entire project. Oops. And you just have to remember to yarn under. So I'm just going to slip stitch in there, and I'm going to chain 1. And let me remove this hook. So, and bring this project as close to the camera as I can get it. Do you see the little crosses? It's one here on top and the other one, maybe I'm using the wrong needle. Let me try for something smaller. You can see the one on the left here is yarn. It's the one its leg is coming to my right, and the right one is going under the left leg. That is the cross. You can barely see it on row 1. That's why I said please bear with me so I can show you this on row 2. Row 2, it's again a chain 1, and you're going to do the exact same thing. Don't forget, it's yarn under all the time. Yarn under and finish your slip stitch as per normal. Yarn under. This is an extremely simple stitch and I really enjoyed making it. You know, it's really fun and exciting trying out new stitches and learning other patterns. I also find crocheting extremely relaxing. If you have a pattern that you'd like me to post a tutorial on, please drop me a comment. I'd be more than happy to. So that is row 2. Now let me show you. Now you can see the little crosses. It's beautiful. Thank you so much for taking the time and watching this video. This is the Queen Phoenix saying peace and cheers, and I'll get you on the next video. Thanks for watching.